Alright guys, look, this is the Juicy Couture bag. I cleaned all the inside. This is all the inside of the bag. It needs some work here, you know, make it look brand new. But remember, these bags weren't really made that well. So I'm trying to fix it. So this is the way the lining looks. But it is clean. It was cleaner than what it was before. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for the second part of the video. Alright guys, I'm outside. I just want to show you I'm just hang drying it. You don't have to do nothing else. But look how clean it got. Don't worry about this because I'll clean this up and you won't know the difference. This is the way the bags get, but that's an easy fix, especially for me. You can see it's a Juicy Couture. The inside is lovely right here because I turned it inside out so you guys can see. This is the outside. Well, right now it's the inside because I turned it inside out so you guys can see. When your bags are special to you because your loved ones give it to you and everything like that, you try to fix it as much as you can. You clean it as much as you can because bags carry a lot of bacteria in the material because you put all your stuff inside and everything like that. And when you do that, all your makeup, your keys, your wallet, grease, all kinds of nasty stuff. If you actually think about it, you know what I mean? It just like builds up and everything. Me, I clean everything that I own. I clean everything that I get. I clean stuff for my clients and I send it back to them. Because when they said, oh, can you do this? Can you do that? You know what I mean? Make it nice and clean for me because I got it dirty with wine or whatever else and stuff like that. I'll be like, yeah, no problem. I'll hook you up. Don't worry. I have a lot of clients that... Okay, now I can talk. So a lot of cars out here. A lot of clients call me up and everything like that to do their cleaning on their bags and their stuff. But I hope everyone have this beautiful, positive day. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube as well. You can see how clean that is. Look at that. I'll be back with more videos, and this is the second part. I'm going to show you the third part of the video later on. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. The bag is completely done. Tell me that she didn't come out beautiful. Look at that. Looks brand new. Now the next step is for me to do the bottom and the trim. But look at that, completely cleaned, stain free and everything. Look at that. I'm going to put it in the light. Like brand new. Let me hang it up so you can see it. I'm going to go in, zoom in, look. An oldie but goodie that I brought back to life. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you on my TikTok and on my YouTube. Don't mind this. This I have to just cut off. Just wanted to show you this. And then, like I said, I just got to repair the bottom. That's the next step. I'm just letting it dry. I love fixing bags, so if you guys need me to fix your bag, you know, I have that service that I do, cleaning bags and fixing them for my clients. And I'm very reasonable with prices as well.